Are you having an itchy scalp or you have dandruff issues? Then you need this onion hair treatment. Onion is very good for your hair. It will give you a very healthy scalp and a very conducive environment for maximum hair growth. So all you need is 1 to 3 onions. Cut them into a blender. Add a little bit of water for it to blend and blend it till smooth as you see me do. If the little water you add before is not enough, maybe your blender is not blending, then you can add a little bit more water, so blend very well. Next, what you're going to be doing is to sieve out the juice. Yes, onion juice is very rich in sulfur, which promotes healthy scalp and maximum hair growth. So you're going to be adding this lime or lemon juice, whichever one that you have available is fine. Here I use just one. So you have to juice it out, extract the juice. Then you can see that pink goodness. Yes, that is what we need. So this this is quite watery, so I'm going to be putting it in a spray bottle. Welcome back, guys. Please, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back once again. Please make sure you apply very well, from the scalp to the from the root of the hair to the tip of the hair. Make sure everywhere is well coated. Then after, give it a gentle massage as you are seeing me do it. One thing is that you can actually grow your hair with natural ingredients. Yes, I am a testimony of DIY hair growth. You can check my page or my channel for videos that you can use to grow your hair. From my experience and from my kids' hair, I've seen a lot of difference using natural remedy. I'm that kind of mom that already gave up on my kids' hair because they were not growing, they were super scanty. But since I started this natural hair growth journey, oh my god, I've seen a lot of difference. It has been a wonderful journey. So if you are looking for hair growth tips or simple hairstyle that you can do for your baby girl, well, you are in the right place. We are into this hair journey together, and I say welcome once again, and I love you. So this is after applying it. I'm just giving it a gentle comb. Mind you, I was very gentle when combing, so to avoid hair breakage. Don't mind the video because I had to increase the speed, because I want the video to be short as possible. So as you can see, after combing, see my hand, you can, in fact, we have very little, hair loss, just very tiny strands of hair, so you had to cover and let it sit for about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, so we're gonna be washing this. You can use any shampoo that you have available. Just wash properly, and do your normal conditioning just as when you are washing your hair. So this is after washing, and I'm giving it a blow dry, kind of blow drying and stretching at the same time. Mind you, my dryer is in a very low heat, the lowest, so to to avoid heat damage. So guys, that is it. Bye for now.